Good morning, welcome back to the new video. McGies Makes Cheesecake. Today I'm making a cheesecake. Alright, so the first step is to combine some biscuits and butter. Okay, so the first step is to mash up 185 grams of biscuit. So I just use the end of a rolling pin, and yeah. So after that you have to add 90 grams of butter. So the butter's just mounting in the microwave, doesn't work that well otherwise. The step is to pour the butter in. I think what you want to do is just mix it all through. Alright, so the next step I believe you have to do is you pour this mix into the tray you prepared earlier, and it's like sprayed and stuff. I hope I've made this good. You just got to press it down and it should be good. You just put it in the fridge after this. Alright, there we go. Now we just need to put it in the fridge to firm, and we'll be back within about half an hour. Guys, we're back. We've finished making the cheesecake now. The base should be firm in the fridge. And yeah, so this time we're going to beat the cream cheese with the condensed milk, and then we'll add the cream. Just a heads up, I've never made this before. I've never made any type of cake or anything in my entire life, so I've no clue what the I'm doing. Enjoy the show. So now you put it in the bowl, you're going to want to beat it until it's smooth. Next you pour in the cream. Alright, so once you've beaten the cream and everything to a nice smooth texture, you add a tablespoon of gelatine to a quarter cup of hot water. You just put the tablespoon in and you mix it all about to dissolve it. So once it's all dissolved, you can get it and you just pour it in to the mix. And also with that, you add 185 grams of white chocolate. You know, it's your boy McGee's from the future. I'm just going to pause current McGee's and let you know these chocolate chips need to be melted before they go in the mix. Or you could just use small ones, otherwise like these ones are too big and the chunks are not that pleasant to eat. Anyway, back to you McGee's. Let's do a taste test, it's always good. Get beaten. Once it's all mixed through nicely, you can just spoon it onto the base, which will be nice and firm. So we'll get into that. And now you just evenly spread it out over the base. You cover in berry puree. I've chosen boysenberry. So yeah, basically I'm going to make it as well. So I just got some boysenberries. I'm just going to whiz them up and make it. So here we go. We've got the boysenberries, a cup of boysenberries. And then somehow this works. Good if the switch is on. There we go. Now that it's been whizzed, you just can pour it on. Doesn't that look divine? And spread it out. And then I just fork it through, you know, give it a nice slight design in there. Who knows, it might actually look nice. Alright, Alright, next step, you just got to take it and carefully put it in the fridge. To let it set. Yummy. There you have it, guys. That was McGies Makes Cheesecake. Just got to clean up and enjoy the cheesecake later on. Hope you found it helpful. Alright guys, so you have it. That is how you make a cheesecake with McGies. If you enjoyed today's video, if you enjoyed the McGies Make series, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see me do in the future videos. And yeah, anyway, it's a bit different. It's not what I normally do. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, see you next time. Peace.
Since the age of 17, I got 7-figure dreams. I got 7-figure dreams. I got 7-figure dreams. I got 7-figure dreams.